Hi, my name is Madeline No, and today I'll be presenting on the Florida drought. What is a drought? A drought is a deficiency in precipitation over an extended period of time. This decrease in precipitation results in a water shortage that can negatively affect humans, animals, and vegetation. Droughts are not the norm for climate conditions and can vary significantly from one region to another. It is not the same as aridity, which is a feature of a climate that's already predisposed to low precipitation, such as a desert climate. The Florida drought. Approximately 66% of the state is in a drought currently, which is highly unusual for Florida, which usually sees rainfall in the spring and summer seasons. This is the highest percentage of any U.S. state. The drought escalated dramatically since February, when none of the state was in a drought. Surprisingly, the rest of the United States is at an all-time low with less than 5% of the U.S. in a drought. This is the lowest it's been in the past 17 years. Water resources are vital for physical geography, and we've previously learned about them in the class. The drought is being caused by a lack in precipitation with below average rainfall across most of the state. The lack of rain and the hot temperatures have made many bodies of water start to dry up. We can even see this here in Gainesville at Lake Alice, which is the campus's watershed. As it begins to recede, we see more land popping up. Without these water resources, wildfires have also worsened. Agricultural Commissioner Adam Putnam recently described this year as the most active fire season since 2011. Major crops and pastures are also being affected. Florida is a largely agricultural state, and with water shortages, crops have been severely affected. Widespread water shortages have water restrictions beginning to be implemented. This can be seen in many counties where there have been calls for less water usage and less irrigation of lawns during peak sun hours. The imbalance in the water cycle can really be seen in this Florida drought. Here we have two visual representations of the Florida drought. White is no drought, which is 20.7% of the landmass and can be seen in the tip of the peninsula as well as South Florida region. Yellow means abnormally dry, which is 13.94%. Tan means moderate drought, which is at 26.53% and makes up an area in the middle of Florida. Orange means severe drought, which is 23.41%. And red is extreme drought, which is at 15.41%, which is quite large for Florida. Total percent in drought is 65.35%, which is excluding abnormally dry areas, which can sometimes occur in Florida's dry heat. I hope that this presentation has been informative on our current drought predicament. It is important to know about your area's water resources and climate so you can take actions against excessive water use.